Alright, can you stand inside there? Can you stand inside it? Can you touch the top? Can you see if you can reach up and touch the top and show us how tall it is? Can you touch the top? You see if you can get in there and touch the top. What about, can you show me the wheel? Oh, the big digger? You go stand beside it so we can see how big it is. You stand beside the wheel. Can you touch the top of the wheel? Can you touch the can you touch the very top? Can you sit in there? Are you gonna sit in there? What are you in? Are you sitting in the digger wheel? You're sitting in the big digger wheel, are you? Oh.